Hi everyone, welcome back. This is SoundStream H2Go Bluetooth speaker with MP3 playback through microSD card that I bought from Microsoft Store, online store, recently, about 2 weeks ago. So this is a kind of a review more than a quick unboxing. So it is having a lot of good features, and it has the Bluetooth speaker itself, and one USB charging card, and it has got innovative design with a two-tone color, one outside the black and inside it's red. So it can be flipped open, but it has to be connected to Bluetooth when playing, or can play through MP3. And it has got a lot of features, all element ready Bluetooth speaker. So it is having magnetic docking, integrated strap, and IPX7 is supported. It has got 10-watt max stereo output, and it supports TWS with two speakers, and it can stream high good quality Bluetooth audio. And now I'm excited to open it. And you have SoundStream speaker itself inside. It's a nice packaging, and it has got manual as you see here, and charging cable, and the speaker itself. The speaker has micro SD card also, so that we can play MP3 music directly from there. It has got plus and minus for skipping the tracks, and also increasing or decreasing the volume. It has got toggling button and power on off and pause button, and it has got micro SD card input, and also the regular USB for charging other devices, and micro USB for charging the speaker itself. And here it is open with the red color inside. So this works pretty well, and I have been using since few weeks. And here it is initial setup. So it's in pairing mode earlier, and now in the Bluetooth settings we can connect it, and H2Go speaker is connected well. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.